What's up, y'all? It's your girl Jasmine, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how I do a frontal wig install over locks. So my client has an event to go to, and as you can see, she has locks. And I don't do this often, but sometimes I will put a wig over locks, just depending on the size of the locks, the length of the locks. All of that is a very big factor when it comes to putting a wig over locks. So I'm going to start by braiding her down. She does not have a fresh retwist, which was okay because her locks are not that dense. I felt like I could condense them and put them safely up under, this wig, and it looked nice. So that's why I decided, okay, yeah, let's do this. So if you just saw, I'm doing a patch test of the Pretty Lounge lace glue on her skin just to make sure she doesn't have a reaction. So while I'm molding her down, I'm letting that sit just to see if her skin gives off any reaction to the glue. That is something good to do, especially for people who have not worn wigs. She has never worn a wig before, nor has she glued anything to her head. So I need to make sure she wasn't going to have a skin reaction to this glue. So I'm just trying to make sure that this braid down is as flat as possible. I only put 4 braids in her head. It is easier to braid down locks, but you do want to make sure it's as flat as possible. So I'm braiding to the part. She wanted the side part. I wanted to make sure the side part was flat. And so I'm braiding to the part or away from the part. And then I'm going to condense the locks in the back. So I really do go through this entire process of how I lay a wig, whether it's on locks or someone else. So this is a very good tutorial to watch. The main points that I would give you in this journey of trying to, see what it's like to put down a wig or whatever, you want to make sure that the cap is to your hairline. So when I do that process, pay very close attention because that is very important. Once you get the cap to your hairline, then you can, glue from there. I think that's what helps to make a wig look more realistic, is if you can do it to your hairline. So that is a big pro tip on laying a wig. But as you can see, I am sewing down these locks in the back, just trying to make it compressed to her head. I am asking her if the locks is giving her some type of tension at the back of her neck. I do go in and oil that area and her whole head before I put the cap on. So yeah, just stay tuned for the remainder of this video. I had fun doing this. I thought it came out great. Her wig, I believe she got it from Amazon. And I just want to say, I bleach and pluck the wig in the appointment. I give everybody's wig the same amount of time with processing. And, for some Amazon wigs, sometimes I have to go a little bit longer. And then sometimes they don't bleach at all, for real. So I always work with what I can in the appointment. I do not hold wigs for people. I just feel like it becomes a mess, and it has before, and that's why I don't do that anymore. So we bleach the knots on wigs in the appointment as best as it can go, and I install from there. So yeah, I'm using some Got2b glue right now just to make sure that her hairline is pressed back, and I'm gonna go in with the cap. And yeah, just stay tuned for the rest of this video. Thank you all so much for tuning in. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, go ahead and get down in that comment box, and I'll be sure to get back with you. If you're not subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can see what's popping at the Pretty Lounge every Sunday at noon. Yeah, sometimes we might miss a week, but that's okay. We're coming back. So just go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can see what's popping at the Pretty Lounge. I have everything organized in playlists by extensions, protective styles, coloring, all that good stuff. So if you go to the playlist section, you can search for whatever it is you may need, because I do all kind of stuff over here at the Pretty Lounge. So yeah, I hope you all have a great week. Again, thank you so much for tuning in, and yeah, stay tuned for the remainder of this video. I think this is an awesome video, so just stay tuned for the rest. All right, peace.